No other corporation does more when it comes to sustainability, and it begins with production. By 2020, the Volkswagen Group will reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 40% in providing energy for production. It's investing 600 million euros in renewable energy sources such as wind power, solar power generating systems, and hydropower to achieve this goal. In Brazil, 120 million euros have been invested for the construction of 2 new hydropower plants that generate electricity for our plant in Sao Paulo. No other car maker in the world has committed itself to such a monumental project. We generate over 20 megawatts of electricity per year, enough for the surrounding population of 50,000 and local industry. A central goal in planning was to address environmental issues effectively. Therefore, a green belt was created over a 5.8-kilometer loop to protect surface water, and a new forest covering 287 acres, where previously there were only monocultures of sugarcane. There are now approximately 125 different types of animals in the vicinity of the lake, and over 450,000 trees were planted. Mexico, near the Puebla plant. Water levels have dropped dramatically here in recent decades because of clear-cutting for agriculture. The Volkswagen Group is working to counteract this trend by reforestation with 500,000 trees. The project goal is 100% treatment of water after its use in production to ensure sustainability. Any company that's at home across the globe must also demonstrate that it's a global citizen. One challenge is CO2 neutral production. In Martorell, Spain, SEAT has installed the European automotive industry's largest solar power generating facility. Starting from the end of this year, it will attain an electricity generation rate of 13 million kilowatt hours per year, enough energy for 3,000 households. The group's plant in Changchun, China is reducing CO2 emissions by 85% and is saving 75,000 liters of water per day by implementing dry paint separation. At Audi, any sort of CO2 emissions will soon be a thing of the past. The use of many different renewable energy sources makes this possible. Photovoltaic systems, bioelectricity, and waste heat recovery have led to CO2 reductions of about 300,000 metric tons annually in Ingolstadt. Next, we want to achieve CO2 neutrality at all our production sites with the use of biogas. For the group's brands, this is not just some dream of the future. Skoda is setting new best marks for efficiency with its Green Future initiative that utilizes cogeneration plants and innovative energy savings in production. Volkswagen is systematically implementing its Think Blue Factory concept. The new plant in Chattanooga defines the benchmark: 30% less energy consumption, resource-preserving production, and water recycling. This plant is the only automotive plant ever to have received the prestigious LEED Award as the greenest factory in the world. For us, sustainability is not simply a buzzword. We live it day in, day out in our global company.